Hi guys, welcome back to Wilkinson Star. We're here today with the all-new K-12 Auto Darkening Mask from Weltek. Compact, lightweight and fitted with Weltek's crystal clear true colour technology, the K-12 is suitable to use in all welding positions, especially those tight areas where a traditional welding helmet can be restrictive. This mask can also be worn in conjunction with a hard hat, and on the inside there's enough space to allow the user to continue wearing the prescription glasses underneath the mask. Some of the key features of the K-12 includes welding shades from DIN 9 to 12, with DIN 5 for cutting and DIN 3 for clear. You've also got a near instant switching speed of 0.1 milliseconds and an adjustment level from low to high. Each pair also come with a free flame retardant hood to protect the user from heat, spatter and UV light. For any more information about our K-12, please visit WilkinsonStar247.com.